It is so exciting to be part of a new home on campus.
It's exciting to think about that I'm the start of something that could be so much bigger than myself.
This new building is going to be a bridge between so many areas of campus.
The idea that we are bringing physical parts of campus together for a shared vision and to directly benefit our students is extremely exciting.
The Peter J. Lindberg MD Center for Health and Human Performance at Augustana is an exciting project for us because it allows us to combine two great strengths at Augustana, both our academic program as well as our athletic program. This project is made possible because of a generous donation from the Knowlton Foundation to honor one of our alumni, Dr. Peter Lindberg. Dr. Lindberg was an oncologist who dedicated his life to improving the lives of his patients.
Kinesiology is a study of human performance and physical activity. So I'm really excited about the fact that we're going to have these two kinesiology labs as part of it. One of the labs is a more practical applied lab so that students can learn how to deal with clinical populations or the average everyday person, whereas the other lab is going to be looking a little bit more at athletic populations and human performance.
The exciting part for me is that this building will allow for the kinesiology program to be connected to and brought together with already existing programs such as public health.
The Lindberg Center really builds on our strong tradition in the health sciences here at Augustana. For instance, our students are accepted into medical school at a rate that's 50% above the national average. And so this allows us to continue to build on traditions that we already have and strengthen them even further.
The public health program at Augustana is about to graduate our 4th cohort of seniors. So we have over 50 majors currently in the program, and our seniors are going all over the country and the world. New spaces like this are going to be so impactful for our students because we exclusively do hands-on learning. So whether it's students are identifying problems in the classroom or taking one of those solutions out into the community, having collaborative spaces is going to allow us to address those needs more efficiently.
The location of the new Lindberg Center right at the center of campus is really important because it is both a physical as well as a symbolic intersection between the work that our students do in the classroom and the great learning that happens outside of the classroom, including in our many athletic programs like our wonderful swimming and diving teams.
Our program talks a lot about a commitment to excellence, and our commitment to excellence starts in the classroom. Our #1 team goal as a team is to become academic All-American. And combining a pool and classrooms, it shows Augustana's commitment to student athletes as a whole.
It'll be a huge change because we for all of our meets go away to other places except for one. We have only one home meet, and now we're thinking about doing invitationals, various home meets. It allows us to do more than we could have ever done before.
The facility will be state-of-the-art. It has 10 lanes, more lanes to spread out in training. A unique feature in our facility will be a swim performance lab, which contains a SwimX system that allows us to do stroke evaluation and technique on our swimmers. This building is a true commitment to excellence, and that's what Augustana stands for, and our program stands for both in and out of the pool.
Having one central location where we can be together, we can learn, solve problems for the community.
It really shows students how interconnected so many aspects of their lives are.
This new center allows us to further strengthen programs here at Augustana that prepare our students to be the leaders in health and human performance that our world needs.